DCM is an advanced linter for Flutter and Dart code. Let's explore how DCM can help you and your team. DCM offers over 300 highly configurable rules on top of the Dart lint rules that adapt to your coding style and project needs. You can select and enable them one by one, or you can set up presets, a subset of selective rules using the built-in presets, such as recommended. You can run DCM Analyze in your terminal to get a quick report. Just to say, there are rules specifically for packages such as block, riverpod, provider, and more. You can also install the Dart Code Metrics preset package, which is coming with many predefined presets, either using Flutter or Dart command line. Once installed, then you can use it in your project and choose a preset over 19 options. For example, you can select Riverpod if you wish to have only a specific package coverage. Have you created your own team set of DCM rules and want to bring your package? It's no problem. You can do that too. And that's not it. You can also tailor and configure rules to meet your preferences. You can use them as is to enable the rules, or you can add severity. You can add a specific configuration to each rule, or do you want to exclude a path or maybe a file? You can do that too. There are more than this, which you need to refer to documentation to learn more. With DCM rules, handle everything from style enforcement to identifying potential bugs or errors. DCM rules ensures your code meets the highest standard with minimal effort. When integrating DCM into an existing project and unable to fix issues immediately, you can create a JSON file with all current rule violations. This file serves as a baseline for IDE integrations and the CLI, ensuring violations will not be reported until the related code changes. Fixing issues is seamless with DCM. Directly in your IDE, you can auto-fix problems as they arise. Or perhaps you prefer the command line? No problem. DCM Fix command line allows you to apply fixes across your entire project with a single command. Metrics are a great feature to measure the complexity of your code and identify areas that you may be difficult to maintain or test. You can generate an HTML report for metrics. You can start with one metric as you wish or add more as you go. And just like the rules, these metrics are fully configurable to match your project needs. Take into account, you can generate HTML report or other type of reports like JSON. You can always explore the different metrics, each files, each class, and figure out what is wrong and where to try to pay attention and figure out and fix the problem. And that's not it. You can always analyze your project's widgets easily to get a detailed breakdown of widget usage. You can always generate HTML or other type of reports like JSON to get the detailed information. The generated report comes with many insights, including quality scores, number of fields, number of methods. You're looking for to see what kind of widget is used in the particular widget? No problem, you can do that. Or you may want to see which widget is using this widget. Navigate through the widgets and figure out more. And one more thing, not only you can see the resolved widget tree, but also you can see the similar widgets in each of these widgets that you are navigating. Feel free to figure out what is similar and try to get rid of that to make your code more maintainable. DCM CLI is designed to meet your needs at your fingers. With commands like DCM check unused code, you can check public and private unused code declarations, including particular fields and methods. With just one command, check unused files, you can also find all the files that are not in use. When you find the unused file or unused code, you can manually delete that. Or let the DCM fix command line take care of that for you. The DCM fix can help on fixing both unused files and unused code. DCM CLIs comes with multiple available commands, including analyzing a structure for your project or check for duplicate for functions, methods, or constructors. Maybe you want to check missing or unused dependencies, or checking various issues with function, method, or constructor parameters. You have localization and want to check that too? No problem. DCM comes with several commands to help you make your project more maintainable. DCM integrates effortlessly into your CI/CD pipeline, ensuring continuous code quality and compliance from the first commit to the final deployment. DCM supports multiple reporters output, including JSON and more, to support a wide variety of CLI platforms. DCM supports easy installation on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. For example, on Mac, simply install with Brew and keep your DCM up to date when new version is released. DCM provides extensions for the most popular IDEs used by Dart and Flutter developers. And one more thing, DCM does not upload your code to any server, and all analysis is performed locally on your devices and CI/CD. And that's not all. For a deeper dive into DCM's feature, head over to dcm.dev.